Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set fingerprint in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set fingerprint, so guys you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set fingerprint in Vivo phone. So friends, first of all, come in your phone setting to set fingerprint. Then guys, scroll it, click on the security setting, and guys click on fingerprint. And guys, already guys you have any pin password pattern, so guys you will have to enter. And guys, you don't have any pin password pattern, so you will have to choose pin password and pattern to set fingerprint. So we will enter this pin, and guys you can see start inputting. So guys click here, and guys which fingerprint guys you want to set in your Vivo phone. So you will take this finger, then guys touch, and guys remove guys. You can see we are done. So it's done, and guys now you can see we have this fingerprint lock. So I hope friends you have understood how to set fingerprint in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.